Hey guys, what's up? Real-time reviews here for another review. This is going to be probably one of my quickest reviews ever, and I hope you're all subscribing, liking, sharing, and watching all my videos. There's going to be more content coming soon as the weather gets better and I don't freeze my balls off when I go outside. So today I'm going to review this start button accent piece, which is billet aluminum. It comes in red, blue, maybe chrome, and I found it on Amazon, which I'm going to link in the description below. This particular piece, it does not say it fits the 2017 to 2019 Honda Ridgeline. I believe it said it was for a Honda Pilot or a Honda Civic or something. Yeah, I think it was a Honda Civic. And I wanted to try it myself because I wanted just a little bit of an accent piece in my vehicle with the start button, just to make it pop, because it's just silver around the actual start button. So I ordered it, and what a surprise, it fits. I figured that Honda didn't make several different size start and stop buttons, so this would most likely work. And I've had this experience before with my 2016 Honda Accord Sport, where there were paddle shifter covers that were actually aluminum, that they fit like a Honda Jazz in Japan or something, but I bought them, tried them on my vehicle, and they fit. So this may or may not fit your Honda vehicle, but it's worth it to order it, try it. If it doesn't work, return it. So again, this is a billet aluminum piece with it's 3M backed, so it simply sticks on, which I like because it's super easy, and it just gives it a little bit of a pop. Again, I have the R-Vinyl 3D or 4D carbon fiber trim in my vehicle, and it just gives it a little bit of a pop, and I like it. And then when you start the button, obviously it turns red, and it just looks kind of cooler. I feel like this is the way it should have been from the beginning. And then it also works with my cup holder heroes, which are outlined with red, my Honda infotainment system, it's also red. So it kind of just goes with the theme, and like I said, it comes in different colors, blue, maybe chrome, I don't even know. So I just wanted to show you guys that some parts that say they fit other vehicles may fit Honda vehicles as well. So check it out. Link is in the description below. I'm not sponsored by this company or whatever they are, but I did want to give it a try, and just a nice little piece to make it look a little nicer in your kind of boring interior. So please subscribe, like, share, comment. More content is coming, and thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.